Hello guys, welcome to this video, and today I'm gonna explain why do rivers flood. So there are really many kinds of ways how rivers flood, and one of the ways are when it's raining and the rainwater goes in the rivers, and then if there's too much water in the rivers and it's gonna flood. Another way that a river can flood is when you have a dam like that, and then suddenly the dam breaks, and then the river that the dam was blocking goes flooding like that. Another way that a river can flood is when you have a really cold place and there are really many mountains and it's been snowing on the mountains, and then the snow melts and it goes in the rivers below, and then it's gonna flood on the land. And that was the end of the video of why rivers flood, and I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.